Did you know regular water heater maintenance can boost efficiency and save you money? Routine checks help prevent sediment buildup, which can reduce heating efficiency and increase energy bills. Maintenance also extends the life of your water heater, so you avoid unexpected replacements. Our professional services ensure your system operates at peak performance year-round. Stay ahead of costly repairs and keep your hot water flowing efficiently. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.